Garrett, Fani Willis has a lot on her plate, potentially multiple trials, obviously security concerns, but there's also this move by House Republicans to get documents from the DA, and I understand that Fani Willis just responded. What do we know?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we've seen similar efforts here from House Republicans to get information about the various prosecutions in federal court and in New York State court. They have attempted to do so here in Georgia. And in a 9-page response, Fani Willis's position can basically be summarized as, thank you for your interest. Now go find something else to do. She writes in part that their interest in this case, she says, is an obvious effort to interfere in the case they're doing, to obstruct a Georgia criminal proceeding, is her exact words, and said that there's no justification in the Constitution for Congress to get involved here at all. She goes on to, in the length of this letter, say that she will voluntarily respond to some things that Jim Jordan asked, but really it's a brushback pitch, basically, in the form of a letter. She says if Congress wants to get involved, for example, you could make it so folks like Lindsey Graham, who she had come testify to the special purpose grand jury, can't fight for weeks or months at a time to avoid having to come testifying. She says that's the kind of useful thing that Congress could do here. Now, this will not be the end of this. You're going to see, I think, a lengthy back and forth between Jordan and the House Judiciary Committee and Fani Willis's office over different pieces of this, like we saw in the New York case in this spring. But for now, at least, Fani Willis has filed her response by the date it's due, and it's not going to satisfy House Republicans.